today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely change your password whenever you need to. Let's start inside Microsoft Teams on your web browser. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small profile picture. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu with several account-related options. In that menu, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account and click it. This will open a new tab or window in your browser and take you to the main Microsoft account page that is linked to your Teams profile. If you're asked to sign in again, use your current credentials. This is normal, and it's just an extra security step from Microsoft. Once your Microsoft account page has loaded, you'll see a few different sections or tabs along the top, such as Overview, Security, and maybe others depending on your account. Find the tab labeled Security and click on it. This is where Microsoft keeps all the settings related to protecting your account, including your password and sign-in information. On the security page, scroll until you see an option that says Manage How I Sign In, or something very similar. This is the section that controls what you use to sign in, like your email, phone number, and password. Click on Manage How I Sign In. You may be asked to verify your identity here, for example by entering a code sent to your email or phone. Follow whatever prompt appears because Microsoft wants to make sure it's really you before letting you change sensitive settings. After verification, you'll see a list of ways you can sign into your account. Look for the entry related to your password, and next to it, there will be a link or button labeled Change with an arrow. Click on Change. Now you'll be guided through the actual password change process. You'll typically need to enter your current password, then type your new password twice to confirm it. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. When you're done, save your